Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to hide files on a Windows 11 laptop. So if you have secret files on your laptop, then you can immediately hide them this way. The first step. Please enter File Explorer first to select the files you want to hide. Here I will give an example of a file in image form, but you can also do it in other file types, such as video files, Excel files, and so on. Pay attention to the arrow on my laptop screen, to hide one of the files on my laptop. Now I have succeeded in hiding one of the files on my laptop, and to display it again, you just need to return to the initial settings as before.